what it is. It's a 1969 Triumph Tiger. It's a chopper. I've changed a lot of stuff on it. And why I ride it? Because it's fun. It's not an all-time ride. This is a hard course called Bar Hopper. Just take short trips around town. But yeah, I like it. It's
all rigid.
All rigid. I've got an AMF tank on it. I got a Road King spotlight for a headlight. I got Yamaha turn signals. I got a panhead tail light. I got a Sportster fender. It's mixed match from a lot of stuff. Pipes is something I had laying around the garage.
So this is almost what you'd call a swap meet special.
Pretty much. It's got a little bit of everything. And see if it'll start. You got to prime the carburetor. Once fuel runs out, a couple of kicks. Turn the key on. Hope it does it on the first time.
It lives.
That was my actually first motorcycle I got 25 years ago.
We talked about you got the made windshield.
I don't have a speedometer, so I use my phone speedometer, and to keep it from buffing, I made me a windshield. And my front turn signals are marker lights.
There you go.
Did you take off?
Yeah, go home.